Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Z Edit and today I'm going to show you how you can create this crazy shake effect in CapCut. If you are doing anime edits, gaming edit or simple edit, this shake effect can completely change the energy of your whole video. I'll show you everything step by step in CapCut, so if you are a beginner and want to do the same thing, just follow the same steps and you will get the same results. So let's dive in. First, open up the CapCut and create new video. Import your clips like this. These are pre-adjusted clips. So first you have to adjust your clips, then add it. After that, you have to select your aspect ratio. I'm using the 3:4 ratio. You can use the 9:16 one. Okay. Then check out your clips, play it 1 or 2 times, and see if your clips are okay. Then add the keyframes for zoom in. For the starting, add keyframe, and at the ending, add a keyframe. Zoom in so we can get the zoom in effects and like apply these same keyframes to all of the clips like this. As you can see, we are getting a zoom in animation. Then we have to add the graphs to give it a much more smoother look. The graph we are using is flow to graph, so it gives a smoother motion to our clips. So after adding the flow to graph, you can see that we are getting a much more smoother zoom in animation. Then we will have to add effects. So as we are making the shake effect, so first we will add the shake effect. So first search it out the shake, and there you go. There is your shake effect. Add it, then adjust the duration of it like this. And after adjusting the duration, and add a keyframe, set the speed and intensity to 0 at the ending. Then at the starting, set the speed to 100 and intensity to 40. So we can get like high intensity shake at the first, and it goes to 0. Then we have to add graph to it. So we will add the quad out graph because we have to give it a much more faster shake. Then we will add second effect, which is the bouncing glow effect. Okay, add that effect, adjust it like this, make sure it's not covering the whole clip. Then add a keyframe at the starting, set everything like this. If you want to like decrease the intensity, set it to 60, and also if you want to increase the speed, just increase it just like this up to 40. Okay, then go to the ending and just add a keyframe and reduce all of the thing that you have. Okay, everything, blur, glow, everything. Then go into the graph and give it cube out to give it much more faster entrance to give this type of shake. But one thing is remaining, that we have to set the object of this, to the all videos to get a proper shake effect on the clips. Now you have to duplicate these clips to duplicate these effects to all of the clips. Okay, as you have duplicated all of this thing, you have to add one more effect like the black flashes that we have to add. So go into the effects and search the black flash effect. As you can see over here, add it and then give it some adjustments, set the speed to 100 and some twist to about 65 60, and some intensity and twist for anything that you want. So it depends on you how you want to like put it. And you just have to like duplicate everything again and again. Okay, and there you go, you can see your effect is completed. And that's how you can create this shake effect in CapCut. Now you can use this effect to make your edits more powerful and attractive. If you like this video and you have learned something new, make sure to like, share and subscribe this video and show some love and tell me in the comment what should I make next again. Okay, till then we'll meet in the next video and peace out.